Friends, hope you are doing well. Alright, so far so good. You have been learned about all basics topics in PHP. In this video, you will learn how to handle form using PHP. You will learn how to submit a form and how to fetch the data in your PHP code, and how you will learn how to do validation using PHP. And more important, you will learn how to use jQuery Ajax, because jQuery Ajax is giving you more very advanced chance to pass the interview. And if you are putting jQuery Ajax experience and the knowledge of jQuery Ajax in your resume, then believe me, it will give a great advantage for you. Okay, and even you will learn how to do jQuery Ajax custom validation, and how to handle the validation error which is coming from your PHP code. Even we will go further, and I will show you how to write your custom code, and how to handle the error automatically using your jQuery code when the PHP code is giving any error, or it is throwing a validation error. Okay, and this is all, and let's start. Talking is enough. Then first of all, I request you go to extension and here search for Bootstrap 4. Okay, in Bootstrap 4 you will get something like this: Bootstrap 4 font and font awesome 4. Okay, here see, it has a million installation count. Okay, and go and install this one, and after installing, come back here, and we have index.php. I will close my PHP code, and here I will write before. Okay, before only, and then enter. Then see, it is generating the Bootstrap 4 template, means it is automatically will add the Bootstrap 4 CSS. Okay, CSS, and also jQuery, and also the Bootstrap min.js and proper .min.js. And here, because if we write these things, it will take time. That is why we will go a little bit faster. Okay, for designing, because we will focus on functionality. Then here we will do like form handling, and come in body. Okay, first go to your browser. Okay, and go in your browser, and localhost your project directory. As we have index.php, then we don't need to write /index.php. Here for the design, what I will do, okay, I will do that container, bootstrap container, and we will do that row. And then what we will do, we will have one call. Okay, and in this call, okay, we will not focus that much in design, only we will do some basic things here. Another thing is, we will have form. In PHP we have in HTML we have a form tag, and it has a few attributes. The first is action. Okay, we will come what is this action, and we will come what is this method. Okay, and how we are using that one, and for submitting our form. Here what we will do, here we will keep all our input element, and also like radio button, checkbox, submit button, or other kind of button. Okay, it will go inside this form. Here we will do before form group. Okay, something like this. It will generate an input. Okay, and we can do here name for the label, and here for like something like enter your name, and the type, input type will be text, and what is the name and ID, I will keep something like name, and help ID I will clear, and help text also I will clear. We will come later how we are using this small. Okay, mainly I am using this small for displaying our validation error. Then one form element is ready. See, we have name, enter your name. I know it is big, I can make it this small and 4 but let's keep it as it is. Another form group, before form group, see how much fast we can design. Okay, please use that that extension. Here I will do something like email, and for placeholder enter your email, and here the type will be email, and the name also will be name, and ID will be email. We will clear this one and we will clear. Okay, now we have two input, one is name, another one is email. The next one what we need is we need one submit before submit. Okay, that before form submit. If you do like that, then here one submit button will come. See, submit. Then we have one field as the name, another input field as email, another one we have submit. Okay, then first we will go with this simple form, then we will extend it and we add validation and we change some design and all. Okay, we will not focus here more on design. Then our form is ready, our form design is ready, and we have inputs field as the name, email. We can keep checkbox, select box, and radio button, all those things. Okay, text area, and here we will go only with name and email for this example, and for other example we will add those things also for sure. Here then when the design is done, then we are coming here. Okay, here it is specified the action. Okay, action means where this you are submitting this form. I am submitting this form to exactly to this page. Okay, I will to itself. Okay, and if you are doing to another form, then another page, then you can submit to another page also. I will show you how to write that one. And this another one is method. Okay, method can be post and get. Okay, here another important things, the simple things which you should notice about the difference between post method and get method. The post method is secure, and get method is like the data will be visible to end user through the URL. I will show you what is that and how it will be visible. And when you are submitting some secure data like the user ID card or like bank account, those things, we are using post method. And if you are submitting some simple data which is not much important, then we are using mostly get. Okay, then we will first we will go with post. And what about the action? Now action specifies where we want to submit this form. Now we will submit this form to the to itself, to this page. Okay, then if we are submitting the form in itself, then we will do something like a slash. Okay, the folder name. What is your folder name in htdocs? My folder name is php tutorials. Then your page name, our page name is index.php, means we are submitting onto itself to this page. Here what we will do, we will display. Okay, we first simply we will display here the data which we are submitting from this form. Then we will go further. Okay, let me cut this all things. I will, because here we need to write our PHP code. Okay, go in your browser and see, we will do something like the name Ali, email also. Then we will submit. Okay, the request URL was not found. Yes, and you know what, because our folder is PHP tutorials. Here come submit. See, the form is submitted to itself. Now let's check how we are fetching that data. Okay, after form submitted, then how we are fetching that data. As we said, we have super global variable $_ okay, and we have $_ get $_ post. We said in our super global variable session, we said $post is used to fetch the data from the form which is submitted with post method. means if the method is post, then we are using $_post to fetch the data. If it method is get, then we are using $_get. Here what we will use, we will use $_post, and we will create one variable, and we will say $name equal to $_post of name. Okay, see $_post, this name is this name. Okay, whatever name you are passing here, then it should go here. Then we will do something for our email also. $email equal to $_post of email. Here we will do echo $name dot something $email. Okay, refresh your page. Okay, see, first we need to why do you know why? Because here $name and $email is not defined first. If we want to do something like this, I will show you how we are handling this error and all. Okay, and how we are doing the validation. First we will do something like this. For now, come here. See, because as a form not submitted, no, definitely that will be the error. And if we do, see, then it will show Liaqat Ali and the email. Okay, and don't worry about those things. We are coming how to how we can handle this all things. Okay, and now which we submitted a form and you displayed the name, and also even you can this one is the name and this one is the email. You can do something like this. Okay, yeah, you know this concatenation already, no? And you can say like echo email, like let me echo break, but I don't know, sometimes break is not working for me. Got it. Let's go. See, name Liaqat Ali and email. If I want to do something like John and John at gmail.com, then it will display name John and John at gmail.com. Okay, congratulations, now you submitted your form successfully and you fished the data also using post. And let's come about the get. Okay, we will change this one to get. If you are submitting this one to the get, then what we will do here, we need to change this one and this one to $_get. Okay, and same thing it will come. See, now when we are submitting the form here, only the index.php is here, nothing else is there. But if we refresh our page, then what will happen? Okay, see, name came here Liaqat Ali, and email also came Liaqat Ali Haidari 35 at gmail.com. See what is happening. I told you the data will be in when we are submitting the form with get method, then the data will be in URL and it is not secure. See, even the hacker or some other person will read this one. Name is Liaqat Ali and email is this one. Okay, and even they will check, they all knows what is this module name, and what is this and this plus. Okay, this plus was on replaced with space replaced with plus. Those things all they will know, and they can hack your and they can use your data. Okay, that is simple. This was about the post and get, and now we will change back to post. Okay, control Z, and uh, do something like this. Refresh your page. Okay, first we need to clean this one, then come. See, it became okay. Now it is done, and it is giving some error now. First, it should not, the error should not come like this. Then what we will do, we will check like this. I will show you one method is there, okay, and is set, okay. We will check like that. If is set dollar underscore post of submit, okay, submit, then this all will be executed, otherwise it will not be executed, okay. Means if form is submitted, and this submit button also will come. See, first of all, don't forget something. You already learned the dollar underscore post is array, no? First do something like this, if to understand better. Parent or dollar underscore post, okay, and die means the page will be hide, it will not be visible, okay. First come here, see, we will come, see, see, it has a name and another one is email, okay. Is if instead of submit, then it will see, type is equal to submit, and even you can do like here like value equal to submit, okay. Refresh the page, okay. Here now what we will do, we will no, see, now what is happening, it is it will not throw that error, only it will display when we are submitting our form, only correct. We will check differently, okay. What we will do here, what we will do, okay, we will refresh our page, as we have name and email. What we will do here, we will check like if a set of email, okay, and like if email set, or then it will come here, otherwise it will not come. First come here, see, came, okay. If you refresh the page again, cancel, refresh, it will go. Here we are checking like if email is set, means email is there, and means the form came from submit, then this email property exists in this person. Check this one, see, name and email exist in this array, then it will come here, otherwise it will not come here. This is simple things. We will this is simple validation, even we are not using like this, okay. And in the next video you will learn completely about the validation, how you can do your custom validation using PHP, how you can check this name should not be empty, or the name should not contain any spaces or special character, okay. And you will learn how to validate email, and using regular expression, and what about the password, how you are validating the password, and about min length, max length, okay. Those all things you will learn in the next video. You will learn about the complete registration form, and in that registration form how we are doing the validation, and when we done with the validation, then as we said here now, when we done about the complete validation in PHP, then we will go with jQuery Ajax. This was all about the basic things with the form. You go and try to create a form and submit, and how to fetch this data using get and post, and in the next video you will learn about the validation. Okay, thank you. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to channel for the more video, and see you on the next video.